Hi everyone, this is Junie. Welcome back. Today is a rainy day and it's cold here in the Chicagoland area, so I thought I'd bring you out to the shop. Got the little buddy heater going, keeping me warm, and I got some new stuff that I am going to be using this summer. I've got some painting projects that I need to do, so I picked up a couple putty knives. I got this one and then I got this one. This is the 10-in-1. Figured that'd be nice. And then I needed a really good putty knife. I got these Warners, which are made in the USA. Got this one, this little paintbrush from Harbor Freight, 30% off sale. And then I got these, the rest of the stuff I got from my mom and pop little local hardware store. So yeah, if you could like and subscribe, and I'll hopefully put this stuff to the test here soon. Other than that, thank you, and I appreciate you all. Bye-bye.